How to use HDRI in Blender? First of all, open your Blender project and switch to the World Properties tab. This is where you control the lighting environment for your scene. Next, click on the yellow dot next to color under the surface section and choose Environment Texture. Then click Open and locate your HDRI file. These files are usually in .hdr or .exr format and provide 360-degree lighting information for realistic effects. After loading the HDRI, go to the Render Properties tab and make sure the render engine is set to Cycles or Eevee. Both support HDRI lighting, but Cycles gives more accurate and realistic results. If you want to control the brightness of the HDRI, go back to the World Properties and adjust the strength value. Increasing the strength brightens the light, while lowering it makes the scene softer. You can also change the direction of the HDRI light by rotating it. And that's it. Now you know how to use HDRI in Blender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.